Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. Microsoft is rolling out a second emergency update for Windows 11 in less than 10 days after the January 2026 update caused major issues. The Patch Tuesday update broke the Outlook Classic app and is causing issues with Sleep Mode S3. We have also verified a bug where customization in File Explorer is broken if you use desktop.ini. It also resets the desktop background. Previously, Microsoft told users to remove the January 2026 update KB5078127, which fixed up to 100 security issues. Now, Microsoft says the emergency update KB5078127 is rolling out and it installs automatically. You don't have to uninstall Tuesday update anymore. The second out-of-band Windows 11 update advances PCs to build 2600.7628.25H2 and 26100.7628.24H2. These updates primarily fix the following issues. Cloud storage and app crashes, resolves a major bug where applications became unresponsive or threw unexpected errors when opening or saving files to cloud-backed storage like OneDrive or Dropbox. Outlook failures, fixes a critical issue where the classic version of Outlook, specifically using PST files on OneDrive, would hang, crash or fail to reopen unless the process was manually ended or the PC restarted. Remote desktop and sign-in includes cumulative fixes for remote desktop connection failures and hibernation issues that were partially addressed in a previous emergency patch, KB5077744. System shutdown addresses a bug on Windows 11 23H2 where systems fail to shut down or hibernate correctly. If the update not installed automatically, install it now.